Hello everyone, we are going to see what is Jumper and Apache Geode. To put in simple words, Apache Geode is simply a data management tool, also referred as in-memory data management tool. Apache Geode is basic version and Jumper is just an advanced version of this Apache Geode. So you can go to geode.apache.org website to learn more. By the way, I followed the same to create this video as well. So once you log on to this website, scroll to the extreme bottom to see what an Apache Geode means. If you go to extreme bottom, you can find this sentence says Apache Geode is a mature robust technology originally developed by Gemstone Systems, commercially available as Gemfire, which means Apache Geode is a open source. It's free to play to practice what Gemfire actually looks like. We'll see that later actually what Gemfire can do, but basically Apache Geode is just a mockery to Gemfire service so that you can play with it. And this is mainly used for caching purposes. It is very efficient and fast. So scroll to extreme top, you can just download geode right here. Click on download geode button. You can see multiple versions here: 1.8, 1.7, 1.6, 1.5, and so on and so forth. So here I was totally interested in binaries and zip versions, so which means I have to look a binary with zip. So this 1.5 version has a binary with zip. Similarly, 1.6 has a binary with zip. 1.7 has a binary with zip, and 1.8 doesn't have binary with zip. So I'm not going with 1.8 version. Currently I'm going with 1.7 version, and go ahead and click on this zip. You can just click on this first mirror link to download Apache Geode 1.7 version. Once you click on that, I'm just going to download this zip folder. So click on save. Once it is downloaded, let's open this and let's extract this. Right click on this file, click on extract all, and I'm going to extract this on the same folder. Okay, once it is extracted, you can see that it created multiple folders, a nested folder like Apache Geode within Apache Geode. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this folder and paste it back in here. Okay, now we have Apache Geode 1.70 right here with all these Geode files. And now the next step is to add this Apache Geode path to the environment variable so that we can run all these geode commands from anywhere. So I'm just rightly copying this path and adding it to environment variables. So now we just added to environment variables, and now let's check geode commands. Let me open command prompt and let's do gfsh followed by version. This gfsh is also called as gfish. It's just a geode command line tool. So gfish version should give you the version, what version we have installed. Cool, it's giving 1.7. That's what we installed, right? Geode 1.7. And then we can also do gfish version with full, I believe. If you click on full, it should give you a whole lot of information, and it says it's not available. Let's see, maybe on double hyphen might work. Yep, this is it. So it gave all the information in a verbose mode. It also gives a bull pattern, bull format, product name is Apache Geode, and product version along with source date repositories and so on. Before going further, let me take you to one more thing. When you go to Apache Geode website, you have a doc section here. If you click on this doc section, you can just go to 1.7 user guide. Why? Because I just downloaded 1.7. So if you go to user guide, there is getting started with the Apache Geode section. You can just expand it and just go to prerequisites and installation provision. But this is what I follow to install Apache Geode on my machine. And I was interested in this in binaries and zip or tar file. I just followed the same instructions. You already saw that I've used this gfish version and gfish version pool as well. And then we are interested in this Apache geode in 15 minutes or less section. It has around 10 steps in total, whereas 10 step is redirecting to some other links or something, but until step 9 we should be able to do until step 9. So it includes how to start locators, how to start servers, how to create regions in Gemfire, and also how to um, start Pulse. Pulse is just an user interface so that you can see all these things in a separate UI for better navigation, for better view and all. And also it has different kind of. It also explains what are the different kinds of regions available, how to manipulate region, how to insert data into region, how to read data from region as well, and also to close locators, servers, and shutting down the whole service at last as part of step 9. So we'll see that um, tutorial, the whole tutorial in the next video. Thank you.